Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing first impressions of another black owned makeup brand called Mented. I only purchased lip products or lip set and one eyebrow pencil from the brand because the eyeshadow palette was sold out. And oh my goodness, I forgot to get their blushes and some other things from their website. So I think they just recently restocked the palettes. I'm definitely going to order more from Mented. So I have lip products in here. They're liquid lipsticks and also one eyebrow pencil. That's why my brows are now really thin. So before I'm going to do swatches, before I'm going to try out the products, first things first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go test out the products. This is the Mented. This is called Highbrow Precision Pencil in the shade, I think I have the shade light brown. And I love the color of this one because it doesn't look red on me and it doesn't look way too dark brown. I really love the color. It's a really nice color for me. So let me zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so there you go. So it has this spoolie in the side. It's not rough at all, guys. It's really nice. I did not mention that so I'm using the major brow wax from Patrick Ta. So I didn't mention that Mented was created by two black women. They created a brand because they wanted something for dark to tan complexion to wear, especially with foundations, concealers. I mean, not all brands created colors for dark to darker complexion. So I'm really impressed with their story behind the brand. I think they started with lipsticks first. I think lipsticks came out with a shadow palette. I think they only have one eyeshadow palette, and then blushes and yeah, some more. I think brushes and brush sets. So really happy. So there you go, guys. I am really enjoying this Patrick Ta major eyebrow wax. Alright, so I am done with my brows. Now I'm gonna do lip swatches. I bought the Sangria, what do you call this one? Sangria liquid lipstick collection for $90. You can also buy the lipsticks individually for $20. So I'm going to show you guys my three favorite shades from the collection out of two in here. These two I swatch them on the lips. I mean, I did not wear them for a long time. I just swatch them on the lips. All of the colors. These two look really like too dark for me. I mean, they didn't really look good with my skin color. So if you are dark or darker than me, I think these would work better. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the lip or the three shades that I really like. So first I'm going to show you the shade Peachy Cane. So I'm gonna read what it says in here. Say hello to your new favorite liquid lipstick. Our Sangria collection has a velvety matte finish that will leave your lips feeling smooth while still offering all-day wear. Each shade offers a subtle pop of color that's perfect for daytime and playful for nighttime. So this is the packaging, and it feels like velvet. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the NARS packaging, and you can see the color right away. And this color is very like rich, like really very opaque color. This color, it has that peachy warm pink undertone, and I'm really happy with this color. It looks kind of red on the camera, but in person it's more like a peachy like warm peachy pink color. Nice, very moussey. Feels really nice, feels really lightweight. The next one is the shade blood orange. So this one is a looks kind of terracotta orange, which I really love this type of colors, like terracotta liquid lipstick or lipsticks, because Girl, this is my favorite color. But I really love this type of color. Really love this. So next one I'm going to share, guys, is more like also another winter color. So this is the shade blacker than berry. And this is the shade plum over. So this is really like dark on me, really dark. I feel like it doesn't really look good with my skin color, as you can see. I think I'm gonna mix this one with the Vice Art. So this is the color black plum on over. And then the last lipstick I'm going to swatch is the shade Hot Date. It looks a little patchy in here, so I'm definitely gonna have to reapply this one a second time because it's kind of patchy. Yeah, so it's patchy, you see, guys, but the color is actually really nice. So not something that I would wear every day. Maybe just apply the middle part of my lips and then apply a lip gloss, like a clear gloss. I think this would work much better. But here it is. I'm gonna do a quick rundown of the products. This one, oh my goodness, from Mented. I love this one. It did not break easily. Oh my god, thank god, because I have like heavy hand, you know, I'm heavy-handed, so I'm really happy with this. I love the color, love my brows. I'm really happy that my brows don't look red. Really impressed for $18. And then the lip products, so these two I mentioned that they were way too dark for me, but after trying them on for the second time, last week I tried it on my lips, not too long, just to swatch on my lips how they look like on me. These two I wasn't really impressed with the colors, but trying them on again for the second time, especially this color with the Vice Art. Oh my goodness, I'm wearing both on my lips right now. I'm very happy. I love the formulation. Both lipsticks had the lipsticks or the liquid lipsticks felt really moussey. They had that moussey consistency, and they were very opaque, very opaque. The only lipstick that was a little bit patchy was this dark brown, like chocolate brown lipstick. If you're darker than me, guys, if you have dark to tan complexion, I think you're gonna like all the lipsticks because they are really like rich in color, very dark. I'm Asian with light skin, so they look way too dark for me, but I'm still, you know, I still can manage the colors as long as I don't apply way too much. I apply a lip gloss or clear gloss. So these two, these two together, oh my goodness, I'm really happy. The only lipstick that look patchy on me, this color Hot Date. So yeah, the chocolate brown shade. But overall, I am really impressed with the products. You know, I'm really honest in my reviews. It doesn't matter if it's a black on or not. I'm still gonna tell you guys if I don't like the products. If I like the products, I'm still gonna, obviously the truth with my reviews. So this yeah, this is the end of my video. Sorry, this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next one. Let me know, guys, if you tried anything from Mented, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.